All right, we are walking to Fanick today to pick up some Espoma products today because we need some for the garden. All right, so we found some potato vine. We have Red Hawk here. We have this one, which is definitely gonna get tricolor. And then Caroline light green. So I need about 5 of these. So we're gonna move some out of here. That's 3, 4, 5 right there. Okay, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna pick out some of the bigger looking ones. That's better. Then we gotta go to the other side over here because I need some blushing princess alyssum. And then we need these 2 right here, which I only see 2 left. So we're gonna go ahead and take these. This is blushing princess alyssum. That's a beautiful alyssum, look at that.
Grabbing some vincas because Ambrose has a project that he wants to work on.
Okay, so our Espoma products we come and get from Fanick. You can actually get quite a bit here. You can see all the good stuff that they have here. They got rose tone right there. You got citrus tone, tomato tone, garden tone, plant tone, lawn food, berry tone. You got the biotone over there in the corner and some bulb tone. They even have evergreen tone if that's what you're looking for. But this is where we come to get all our Espoma products. We also have over here some of the liquid fertilizers that we normally get. You got the liquid tomato, cactus, indoor, and orchid. He carries another one, the African violet one as well, that we use quite frequently for the African violets indoors. But again, come to Fanick if you're looking for those. They have quite a bit of a selection. And this is definitely one place we absolutely love at Fanick is the indoor section here. Variety, variety, variety. Ooh, look at that. Look at the roots on this one right here. This is the rabbit's foot. Isn't that cool? Oh, read the name on it.
Let me see if I can pronounce this right. Aglonema Ely Red.
It's close enough.
Yeah.
Oh, the bromelia? Look at these right here. Beautiful bromeliads. All right, we're in the section at Fanick where they have all kinds of fruit trees. You got figs as far as the eye can see going that way. Got some bananas over there. Figs, absolutely love them. Might need to come back and pick up some more later. But big variety of figs. And then over here, there's Alexis there. We have different types of apricots. You got some guavas. We have some actual mango right there. Look at that. Some lychee. You got some, I want to say those are avocado right there. There's a grape vine that he has growing there. And then a whole bunch of other trees back there. I think there's some kumquats, some loquats. I can't remember what else, but just a variety of stuff here at Fanick. All right, and one of my most favorite spots to come here is the rose section here at Fanick. A wide variety of roses. As you can see over here, look at this right here. There's a bee in there playing around. This is a beautiful rose. This one is a Climbing America. Beautiful rose, but look at all these roses over here. Just a wide variety. One just bit me. You got some landscape roses here, some smaller ones, some floribundas. You got all kinds of roses over here. Then we have these tree roses, beautiful looking tree roses. But just as far as the eye can see, there are lots of roses here. It's so hard to not take any of these home because they're very tempting. But come on this way real quick. This is one that absolutely caught my eye earlier. Burst of Joy. Beautiful orange looking at. Look at that. That's just a beautiful orange color right there. That one right there as well. And then you have some beautiful reds like this. I mean, they're just so bright and beautiful looking. I mean, they just absolutely scream out, take me home, you know? But show you some of the other ones they have here. There's one that I just got off the phone with Angie about. She wasn't able to come out today. We had some things going on. We had to pick up some fertilizers today, but this is one that I called her and I just got off the phone with her about. And it's Julia Child, because I want another yellow, but Julia Child, there's a name right there. It's a Floribunda. Absolutely beautiful yellows. There's different types of yellows that come out. I've seen it bright yellow, then it fades into this creamy yellow. Just a beautiful looking rose. And these are nice and full here at Fanick. I mean, they've got a bunch of growth, a lot of blooms already coming out. That's one of the things I like about coming out here is you get to see the rose in its full bloom and what it's actually looking like in its form, basically. Because some of these roses, when you buy from online and stuff like that, you're getting bare root roses, you're going shortcuts, but this way you get to see what they actually look like, kind of what they're growing into, kind of what their form is. But again, just an absolutely beautiful place to come. And you could be here for hours, literally looking at all the roses that there is to offer here. You don't get tired of them. I'm actually looking for some Peggy Martins and I couldn't find them earlier, but I think I found them. This screams Peggy Martin if I ever saw it. Look at that. Beautiful cluster of blooms. From far away, I can already tell you that was Peggy Martin. Just a beautiful rose. So, I think that's gonna do it for the end of this video, guys. Just wanted to show you one of the many places. We've done this tour before, but just wanted to show you one of the many places we go to get some of our plants and some of our product. And Fanick is one of those places. I absolutely love Fanick because when you come to this place, you get to know everybody. I've met these people quite a couple of different times, and very nice people, and it feels more like home when you come to this garden center than just going to go buy some plants. Always have some great conversations, and you know, it's just a beautiful atmosphere. So like, share, subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.